about to get an IWX SVR. Here we go! Here it goes.
There was a model.
Bro, really?
National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wabash County, Indiana, northern Grant County in central Indiana, southwestern Huntington County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Miami County, Indiana, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Wabash, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Marion, Wabash, Fountain, Lancaster, Mount Etna, Landis, Lincolnville, Jalapa, Santa Fe, Enfield, Treaty, Matchmecca, Banquet, Peoria, Lakewood, Somerset, and Pleasant Plain. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 265 and 272. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Grant, Huntington, Miami, and Wabash.
Had no idea what that was. That was an IWX SVR, which just got issued. Y'all see, you know what's annoying? You got all these NWRs over here. Nothing. These didn't go off. I kept it on when I was going, and it didn't go off. So I'll get this video posted as soon as possible. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe. This is Great WX. This is probably not the last video for. This is probably not the last video for today. But make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Have a nice day. See you on the next one.